Good morning, students. As for our CBSE exam pattern, in section B, writing skill is there. In writing skill section, several letter writings are there, and letter to editor is one of them. Before going to letter to editor, first we have to know what is letter writing. What is letters? Letters are a form of verbal and written communication which contains information or message sent by one party to another to convey the message. When a message is conveyed to someone in a written form, that is letter. Letter is sent by one party to another to provide certain important information. Letters are basically two types. One is formal letter and another is informal. So first we have to know what is a formal letter. Formal letter is the letter which is written for business or professional purposes with a specific objective in mind. Formal letter is one written in a simple and formal language with a specific format that can easy to read and interpret. For formal letter, there is a particular or specific format. Then come to informal letter. What is informal letter? Informal letters are written to friends and relatives for personal communication, and it is used a casual or emotional tone. Now comes to letter to editor. Letter to editor comes under the formal letter. So what is letter to editor? First we have to know who is a editor. In the whole world there are various news channels or press media is there, and the editor is a member of that news media. They modify the message, then they allow it for print. So letter to editor comes under the category of formal letter. A letter to editor may be written to the editor of a newspaper or a magazine. It is written to highlight a social issue or problem. Letter to editor is basically written for social issues or social problem. It can also be written in order to get published in the newspaper, and we mainly write the letter to editor to publish the news in their esteem column. The content of letter to editor is generally the social issues. The specific format of letter to editor has to be followed strictly. There is a particular format for letter to editor, and they are as follows. Only formal language can be used. Abbreviation or short forms and slang language should be avoided. Now come to the format of letter to editor. The format of letter to editor of a newspaper is as follows. First, sender address. Who is senders? Who is sending the message or who is writing the letter? That person is the sender. Means when you are writing a letter to the editor, you are the sender. So you have to write your own address at the top of the paper. The sender's address includes the address and contact details of the sender. It also includes email and phone number if required or mentioned in the question. In sender address, you have to give your full address and other contacts. Just after writing the sender's address, give some space or leave a line, then give the date. The date is written below the sender's address after leaving one space or line. Then come to receiver's or receiving editor's address. To whom you are writing the letter, you have to give the recipient's address, the address of the recipient or the address of the editor. And the fourth point, you have to write the subject of the letter. So what is subject? Here we have to mention the main purpose of writing the letter. Why you are writing the letter? You have to mention it in a single line. It must be written in one line. It must convey the matters for which the letter is written. Just after writing the subject matter, then you have to write the salutation, or you have to give the salutation. As we say, sir, madam, or respected sir and madam. After salutation, the important part of the letter is come, that is the body or main body. Body is mainly divided into three parts, or we have to write three paragraphs in the body. The matter of the letter is written here. It is divided into three paragraphs as follows. In the first paragraph is known as introductory paragraph. Introduce yourself and the purpose of writing the letter in brief. Means in the introduction para, you have to introduce yourself and write the purpose of your writing. Then the second paragraph, it is the detailed paragraphs or detailed matter you have to write here. Means what are the causes and effects and what are the solution you want to convey. You have to write everything in paragraph 2. In paragraph 3rd, it is called the concluding paragraph. In paragraph 3, it will be concluded by mentioning what you expect from the editor, what you want from the editor. Example, you may want him to highlight the issue in his newspaper or magazine. If you want to highlight the point which you have mentioned, or you are requesting to print your message on their newspaper, you have to request him. And last but not the least, 7, it is complimentary closing. In complimentary closing, you have to write thank you or thanking you. Then you have to write yours faithfully. And in number 8, simply you write your name or sender's address, signature and designation. Here you have to write your own name, signature and designation. This is an example of letter to editor. Write a letter to the editor of newspaper to create awareness among the masses or people about pollution hazards. This is a question, and you want to convey your own idea or own view towards the environmental pollution. So you are writing a letter to the editor. The first, we have given the sender's address like Ashok Nagar, Sector 5, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Then we have given the date 20th April 2020. Then it is the receiver's address, the editor, Hindustan Times, New Delhi. Then subject, creation of awareness among masses about pollution hazards. Then salutation is given here, respected sir or madam. And this is the basic pattern for writing the introductory part. Through the editorial column of your esteemed newspaper, I wish or I would like to draw the kind attention of the people regarding the environmental pollution. Here we have simply or briefly we have given the introductory part about our writing. Then in the second paragraph, we have given the detailed information about environmental pollution, how it is rising day by day, what are the causes of environmental pollution, how can we control it, or what are the duties of or responsibility of the government for controlling environmental pollution, and what are the responsibility of the citizen of India or the common people towards the environmental pollution. And at the last or third paragraph, we have requesting the editor to print this message in their newspaper. As it is written, it is a service not only to oneself but also to the entire humanity, because the situation is going worse day by day. Therefore, I request you to highlight it through your newspaper and arouse awareness among people. And at the last part, we have given the complimentary closing by writing thank you, yours sincerely or faithfully. Then here you can write your own name and designation. If you are a student, then simply write your name, and after that you write student. So in this way we can write the letter to editor. So students, practice it at home and make yourself perfect in writing skill. Thank you.